Hi, I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed.
In this video, we will look at using the Sonocent Link app and your mobile phone to record a lecture. If you have a microphone which can work with your phone and plug in one, then do plug it in beforehand. Otherwise, use the built-in microphone on your phone. So when you arrive at the lecture, you open the Sonocent Link app and you just press the green record button at the top. Straight away you will see it is in section 1. The blue audio bars are moving across, and in the top left corner of that section it shows a number 1. When the lecturer changes slides, you need to add a section break as with the desktop app. On this particular phone is an iPhone, and it's the button in the top right hand corner which looks like a little speed bump. On an Android phone, I understand this is in the bottom left corner. So if you click the speed bump button, it will then add a section break, and you are then adding your audio to section 2 for slide 2, ready to put together with the slides when you transfer this to your computer later on. If you want to add notes, you tap to add the text notes and you just add your notes. And you can click done. We're still on the same section. You can click back into add notes to go back into it. You can also swipe left to come back out of the notes edit. And you can then add another section. If you want to mark up audio as you go, you have the audio colours on the main screen. You can mark a section up as important. But if you go into the notes, you'll see that those section markers and audio markers are also showing on the right hand side. So if I want to stop marking my audio as important, I can click the red dot that's complete. And when I click done, as you can see, it's no longer marking it as important. As with the desktop version, if you mark a section, such as this, when you press the section button again, it moves to a new section and stops marking the section. But if you mark the audio, when you move to a section, it continues to mark it in the new colour. The last thing you can do is you can also add an image. So at the bottom, if you click the image version, you can add a photo, a PDF page, an image or scribble. Just take a photo. It might ask for permission. Just take your picture, give it confirm you want to use that picture, and then you can swipe left to get back to the main screen. You can add more notes. You can mark your sections still. You can stop adding notes, and now to section 5 I've added notes, a colour and an image. So I'm just going to turn off my colour. And I'm going to section that again. When you've finished recording, click the stop button, which is at the bottom, the blue square. And then on an Apple phone, you can click the close option. I believe there is an option at the bottom on an Android phone that does the same. And it asks you to save it. So I'm just going to call it today because I have loads that are called practice. You should also add a topic and speaker. So it's practice and speaker. Evans. When you then click save, it will say to you, oh look, you could send it to somewhere, you could upload it to Sonocent Audio Note Taker.
I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos on assistive technology, and if you want to find me on social media, search for Wiki-ed Essex.